Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're gonna show you how to make these stunning, beautiful and amazing oil lamps out of tin cans. We are recycling tin cans to make this. And please remember to like, share and subscribe the video, and let's begin with this creation. The things we're going to be needing for this are cans. We're going to turn this useless cans into something that's stunning. We need any oil, cotton, scissors, a blade, and paint. We are using spray paint because these are the things available for us. You can use any paint you like. Now let's begin. First, I'm going to be cutting this can from the middle. Then after that, I'm going to be using the one with the base, not with the hole. I'm going to use that half and cut it in the shape of a flower. Now just follow me to know how to do it. After cutting the petals, next we are going to be giving it a little bend to give it a good look. You gotta just take a blade and just give it a sharp bend like this. And this is how the result is. It looks like a flower. And I've made 2 more like these. And now it's time to paint them. I'll be painting them in 3 different colors to make it look more good. I've tried to choose the most vibrant colors available to make it look stunning from afar as well. Well, they're done drying now. And next I'll be using this mirror. I had this mirror just lying around and I thought of using it. And now it's time to arrange them. I have also decided to add some extra decorations like pom-poms. And also I've added pearls and flowers. Now I'll be taking the cotton, rolling it up in my arm. And that's gonna be, the thing that burns. And after that, put the oil and voila, you're done. Sometimes the oil is not completely absorbed by the cotton, so you must just take some drops and put it on the tip. Now it's time to light them up. And that's it. Pretty easy to make, right? And you're done. You made your oil lamp. And you can use this anytime you want, especially when you are out of candles, but it'll look good in any occasion. It's just gonna decorate your house, make it look amazing. It's just gonna make it look amazing. You can also put normal candles in that and it'll still look good. It'll still decorate your house. So this is how we make this amazing, stunning DIY. And that's how you make this oil lamp / candle holder easily at home. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked the DIY. Please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.